What are smart lighting systems?
The smart lighting systems use connected LED bulbs, sensors, and controls to automate when and how lights are used. These systems can be adjusted remotely by smartphone, voice assistants, or program schedules. By making lighting more responsive to needs, smart systems aim to use less electricity without sacrificing comfort or safety.
How do smart bulbs use less power?
Smart bulbs typically use LED technology, which is much more efficient than traditional incandescent bulbs. LEDs use up to 75% less energy and last much longer. When combined with dimming features and the ability to turn off automatically, smart bulbs further decrease waste and power consumption in daily use.
What role do sensors and automation play?
Smart lighting often includes motion sensors and ambient light sensors. Lights can automatically switch on when someone enters a room and off when it's empty. They can also adjust brightness based on natural sunlight. This automation ensures lights are only on when truly needed, leading to consistent energy savings.
Can you control smart lighting remotely?
Yes, remote control is a key benefit. With smartphone apps or voice commands, users can turn lights on or off from anywhere, set schedules, or customize lighting scenes. This flexibility helps prevent lights from being left on accidentally, further lowering electricity bills and unnecessary usage.
How much can you save with smart lighting?
Energy savings depend on your habits and how much you automate your system. Households using smart lighting often see reductions in electricity use of about 20 to 40% for lighting. Savings come from LEDs efficiency, routines that match your daily life, and eliminating waste from forgotten or unnecessary lights.
Are smart lighting systems easy to install?
Most smart bulbs and systems are designed for easy setup. Many can be installed in existing fixtures without special tools or wiring. Paired with user-friendly apps, these systems make it simple for anyone to start saving energy and money with minimal effort.